When it comes to accounting software, the landscape is vast and varied. From individual freelancers to multinational corporations, every business needs a reliable system to manage its finances. Among the most recognized names in this field is Sage. But with various options available, a critical question for many business owners and aspiring accountants is Sage good for accounting? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Sage isn't a single product, it's a suite of accounting and business management solutions, each designed to cater to different business sizes and complexities. Understanding the nuances of Sage's offerings is key to determining if it's the right fit for your specific accounting needs. The Sage ecosystem, a range of solutions. To properly assess Sage, it's crucial to acknowledge its diverse portfolio. Unlike some other accounting software providers that focus primarily on one segment, e.g., small businesses, Sage offers solutions spanning from microbusinesses to large enterprises. Some of its most common offerings include Sage Accounting, formerly Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This is Sage's online, cloud-based solution primarily aimed at small businesses and freelancers. It provides essential features like invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic financial reporting. Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. This is a hybrid solution, combining the power of desktop software with cloud connectivity. It's often favored by growing small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, that require more robust features than a basic cloud accounting system, such as advanced inventory management, job costing, and more detailed reporting. While the core software is installed on a desktop, it can sync data to the cloud for remote access and collaboration. Sage Intacct. This is a true cloud-native solution designed for mid-sized to larger businesses and enterprises. It offers advanced financial management capabilities, including multi-entity and multi-currency support, sophisticated revenue recognition, robust dimensional reporting, and strong automation features for complex financial processes. Other specialized Sage products. Sage also offers various specialized solutions for payroll, HR, ERP, enterprise resource planning, and specific industries like construction or manufacturing. So, is Sage good for accounting? Let's break it down. For small businesses and freelancers using Sage Accounting. Pros. Ease of use. Sage Accounting is generally intuitive and user-friendly for those with basic accounting knowledge. This cloud-based nature makes it accessible from anywhere. Essential features. It covers the core needs of small businesses: invoicing, expense tracking, bank feeds, and basic financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet. Affordable. Compared to more comprehensive solutions, Sage Accounting typically offers more budget-friendly pricing plans. Scalability. Within its tier as a small business grows, Sage Accounting can accommodate increased transaction volumes and offers tiered plans with more features. Good reporting, for its level, provides fundamental financial reports that are easy to generate and interpret. Cons. Limited advanced features. It lacks some advanced features that larger or more complex small businesses might need, such as comprehensive project tracking, time tracking, or extensive customization of reports beyond standard templates. Fewer integrations. While it connects with common apps, its ecosystem of third-party integrations might be less extensive than some competitors. Automation gaps. Some automation features found in more advanced software, like automatic payment reminders for all invoices, might be limited. For growing SMBs using Sage 50 Cloud Accounting. Pros. Robust features. Offers a comprehensive suite of features that go beyond basic accounting, including strong inventory management, job costing, and more in-depth reporting. Hybrid flexibility. The combination of desktop power and cloud connectivity provides a balance of control and accessibility. Data is robustly managed on a local system, with cloud backup and remote access options. Detailed reporting. Provides a wide array of report templates and customization options, allowing for deeper financial analysis. Reliability. As a long-standing product, formerly Peachtree Accounting, Sage 50 Cloud has a proven track record. Cons. Learning curve. It can be more complex to set up and navigate than pure cloud-based solutions, potentially requiring a steeper learning curve for users without prior accounting software experience. Less true cloud. While cloud-connected, it's not a fully cloud-native solution like Sage Intacct, meaning some functionalities might still be tied to the desktop installation. Dated interface. For some users might find its interface less modern compared to newer cloud-native competitors. For mid-sized to large businesses using Sage Intacct. Pros. True cloud native offers the full benefits of a cloud solution. Accessibility from anywhere, automatic updates, and robust security. Advanced financial management. Excels in handling complex accounting needs, including multi-entity consolidation, multi-currency transactions, advanced revenue recognition, and sophisticated budgeting. Powerful reporting and analytics. Provides highly customizable dashboards and dimensional reporting, allowing for deep insights into financial performance across various aspects of the business, e.g., by department, project, location. Strong automation. Automates many complex financial processes, reducing manual errors and increasing efficiency. Scalability. Designed to grow with your business, handling high transaction volumes and increasing complexity without performance issues. Robust integrations. Offers a broad marketplace of integrations with other business systems, CRM, HRMS, etc. Cons. Higher cost. As a more advanced ERP-level solution, Sage Intacct is significantly more expensive than the small business offerings. Complexity. Requires a more specialized understanding of accounting principles and system setup due to its depth of features. Implementation time. Implementation can be more involved and require professional assistance.